Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We don't run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, we had a new alert for subscribers right at 2 p.m. today. We've had success with our 2 p.m. alerts as they've been catching the shorts off guard. Today's alert rallied at one point over 20% before closing up 16%. Congrats to all subscribers who banked. To get our 2 p.m. alerts, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Well, guys, today was all about the Fed. As I said on Twitter at Powell's press conference today, either A, if Powell hints that rate hikes are over for the year, stocks should rally. B, if Powell hints that more rate hikes are appropriate, stocks should drop. Good luck. And he was about as dovish as can be. One of the main takeaways from Powell's press conference and the central bank's policy statement is the growing possibility that the rate hiking cycle is over, economists said this afternoon. The Fed's latest policy statement and Chair Powell's opening comments to his November press conference opened the door for the Fed to end the current rate hike cycle with interest rates at their current level rather than hiking more. Powell, he slightly altered the Fed's guidance in his opening remarks. In its policy statement, the Fed said it will consider many factors when determining the extent of additional policy firming that may be appropriate to return inflation to 2% over time. When he read the guidance at the start of the press conference, Powell added the Fed was also considering how long policy will remain restrictive. Another way to describe assessing how long policy will remain restrictive is to decide when to make policy less restrictive. That is rate cuts. Powell said the Fed considered rate cuts at their current meeting, but a rose by another name smells just as sweet. Financial markets like what we heard, and we got the rally across the board. SPY was up 1%, QQQ up 1.74%, Russell 2000 0.5%. Bitcoin running over 35,000%. Big run over $35,000. Sorry about that. Big winner of the day was AMD, up almost 10%. The market liked the earnings report. It liked the stock initially sold off yesterday, and then after the earnings call and today they came in and they bought. NVDA rallied as well. NVDA was wild yesterday. Dropped down to 392 before recovering, and here we are at 423. That is just a wild name, NVIDIA. Bonds rallied. The TLT was up 1.82%. But as I told everyone, if you're looking to play bonds, the best way, again, I'm not a financial advisor, is with the leveraged ETF TMF, which is a 3X bull shares, closed at 422, up 6% on the day. Tomorrow, we're going to get notable companies due to report include Apple. That is going to be the big one. That is going to make or break the market. So that is certainly a big report coming tomorrow. We get Booking Holdings, Carvana, Coinbase, ConocoPhillips, Duke Energy, Moderna, Molson Coors, Palantir, and Starbucks. We also get at 8:30 a.m. U.S. initial jobless claims, and then at 10 a.m. U.S. factory orders and durable goods orders for September. Today's ADP report came in lighter than expected, and that is what the market wants to see. They want to see employment cooling. And that is the optimism that on Friday we can get a cooler U.S. jobs report, which is what the market wants to see, that it would be a sign that the Fed rate hikes are indeed over. So again, that is what the market is focused on right now. And, you know, seasonally, as I said last night, November could be the big month to rally. We had a weakness in August, September, and October, and we're still up on the year, but people are looking for an excuse to put money back to work, and there's a lot of money sitting in money markets, so there's a lot of money on the sidelines that could come back into the market to try and catch a rally into the end of the year. And as I said, November and December are seasonally good months. In terms of small caps, a couple of names I'm watching. ALDX, 11% of the float is short. Company put out news today. They entered an exclusive option agreement with AbbVie for license to develop and commercialize reproleximab. This is one of their drugs, so it's an exclusive option. Under the terms of the option, AbbVie has the option to acquire a co-exclusive license to develop, manufacture, and commercialize, an exclusive license to develop, manufacture, and commercialize. The company will receive a non-refundable option fee of $1 million and an upfront payment of $100 million less option fees if AbbVie chooses to exercise the option. Under the terms of the license agreement, the company would be eligible to receive up to $300 million in regulatory and commercial milestone payments, inclusive of a $100 million milestone payment upon U.S. FDA approval. So big news, and that is why we saw a 48% run today, but I think we got more upside here, so put this one on your radar screen. Pins, talked about this one last night, had good earnings report, but I said $30 was the key level, ran right into the wall here. Certainly bearish price action if you're in Pins. I would be using a trailing stop here. Needs to close above 30 to really get the market going. PMVP, 16% of the float is short. No news. We got the sell-off earlier in October from $7 all the way down to here $1.21. We're at $1.98. Getting this rounding bottom, like the price action in PMVP, could be signs of bottoming and more upside. We got gaps to close, so certainly watching this one. LIFW. This one just keeps creeping up here, running right into the 200-day moving average of 286. No news. Everyone's talking about the shorts getting squeezed here. This was an ex-SPAC. John Ruiz, the founder, at one point he was worth over $20 billion when they merged. Legal recovery business. What is going on here? It says here, let's see what's going on here from Benzinga. Start trading higher. The company now is in compliance with all applicable NASDAQ listings. Trading higher after hitting news that CEO bought 467,000 shares. Not a big purchase, but please leave a comment below if you have more insight as to what's going on LIFW. I'd be interested in hearing your thoughts on this. IONQ looks like a bottom is in. This one was a big runner for us over the summer. Rallied all the way from $5 all the way to 21, corrected down to 9. Bottom might be in. We're making a comeback here. 3 earnings plays, strong earnings after the bell. First up, watching ROKU. It's jumped over 8% post-market on Wednesday if its sales forecast beat expectations. Company forecast $955 million in Q4. That is better than the consensus of $951 million, along with gross profit of $405 million. Sales of $912 million compared to the average analyst estimate of $855 million. Earnings per share of a loss of $2.32 compared to expectations of a loss of $1.93. So basically, the company raised its forecast, and that's what's got the market excited. It said here, while linear TV saw pressure in the ad market, Roku reported continued signs of rebound with growth year over year in video advertising. Our positive ad momentum is driven in part by diversifying demand sources of advertisers on our platform and expanding partnerships. We expect to grow ad share. We'll continue to operate our business with discipline and defend margins with a focus on driving positive free cash flow over time. While we have made the difficult decision to reduce headcount, we will invest in high ROI initiatives to maintain our competitive position. This one here has been a big runner on earnings. Earnings last time in July. So again, put this one on your radar screen. There's going to be a lot of opportunities, particularly in its options. FSLY, FSLY, EPS beat by 2 cents per share. Revenue of $127.8 million beat by $900,000, which is up 17% year over year. Total customer account was 30,102, up 30 from the second quarter. Overall, it was a good earnings call, a good earnings beat, and the stock is down from 24. Looks to have bottomed here. I'll be looking for this one for continuation. Think we could see 16, 17 in the short term. Lastly, on FSLY, 10% of the float is short. So again, all these, there's short interest. So again, I think we can get squeezes in these names. So that's what I'm focused on. I love these short squeezes. Everyone's positioned bearish right now. And, as I said, there's a lot of money on the sidelines. So I think we can really see some major short squeezes here. And then lastly, Camping World Holdings. On this one, 12% of the float is short. They reported third quarter profit of $16 million. This was 32 cents per share. Earnings adjusted for non-recurring costs and stock options expenses were 39 cents per share. The results beat Wall Street expectations. The average estimate was just for 15 cents per share. The recreational vehicle retailer and sales and services provider posted revenue of $1.73 billion in the period, also exceeding street forecasts. So certainly going to be watching this one. This one's gotten absolutely killed, down from 32 in July, cut in half here. I think we can really rally to 20 pretty easily. And at InsiderFinancial.com, what we do here is we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I have repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. To get our small cap reports, particularly our 2 p.m. alerts, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared, unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great Thursday, traders. Bye-bye.